And staying from News on India, the Maharashtra government may set up a special investigation team to conduct a probe into the murder of Pune businessman Ketan Agarwal. Agarwal's fiancée Sia Goyal and her alleged lover Chetan Chaudhary stand accused of pushing Ketan into a gorge of the Lohagarh Fort in Pune on June 18th. Now, amid the probe, the family of accused Sia Goyal has broken their silence. Sia's father, Praveen Goyal, has called for strict action against the culprits, even if his own daughter is found guilty. Contesting the claims made by Sia that she had expressed her displeasure over the marriage to her parents, he said that Sia was happy with the wedding and always spoke about Ketan and his family.
मेरी बड़ी पीड़ा ये है कि जो भी है, जिसने जो भी ये किया है, उसे सख्त से सख्त सजा मिले और जैसे हमारा केतन जिस किले से गिरा है, इसमें जो भी आरोपी पाया जाए, उसमें भले मेरी खुद की बेटी क्यों ना हो, उसे भी वहीं से धक्का दे दिया जाए.
Sia's mother also described Ketan as a good boy and said her daughter should be given the strictest punishment if she is found guilty.
अगर किसी का इसमें दोष हो तो उसे सख्त से सख्त सजा होनी चाहिए, चाहे उसमें मेरी बेटी भी हो. अगर मेरी बेटी का दोष निकले तो जहां से केतन जी को गिराया गया या जो गिरे हैं वहां से ही उस दोषी को गिराया जाए.
Meanwhile, the Pune police is probing a CCTV footage that has emerged of the two accused. Investigators say that accused Sia Goyal met her boyfriend Chetan Chaudhary at a cafe in Pune hours before pushing her fiancé off the fort in Maharashtra and plunging him to his death. The CCTV footage shows the couple sitting in a cafe and engaged in discussion. According to police, it was at this meeting that the two allegedly conspired the murder of victim Ketan Agarwal. According to police, during the discussion, they identified specific locations on the fort from where Ketan could be pushed. In the afternoon, Sia took Ketan to Lohagarh Fort in the Sahyadri range, while Chetan followed them separately on the 3 to 4 hour trek. According to the police, the pair pushed Ketan from behind into a gorge. Sia later told Ketan's family that he had slipped during the trek. Now, investigators say that the 20-year-old Sia had repeatedly tried to bring Ketan to Lohagarh Fort, which stands at about 3,300 feet above sea level. On May 31st, the couple visited the fort. Sia then pressed for another visit 4 days later on June 4th. But Ketan's mother did not give permission for that. On June 14th, Goyal again persuaded Ketan to go. And during that visit, she allegedly tried to push him off a cliff. Ketan managed to hold on to a bush, and when asked why did she push him, Sia claimed that there had been a snake and suggested that she had helped protect him.